sets. Look at that one. Little Queef. Ooh, there's another good one. I'm not gonna grab the camera and yank it over, but the Queef is going. Hello everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Chill Adventures. Truth be told, this is my second intro. I don't know how much of the first intro got recorded because there was only like 10% battery. But it snowed this morning. First time all year. It is November 21st. Can you believe it? So it is the first true snowstorm. Well, it's the first snow that we've gotten all year. It is the first true bird queef day. And I'm excited. I've actually waited to go to bird queef a couple times already this fall, specifically because I knew that we might have a good day on the horizon. It is a heavy west wind right now. It's been swirling. Actually, there's like this weird bomb cyclone thing. Made its way through Lake Huron, through the Straits of Macacam, and now it's sliding its way down into Lake Michigan. Tomorrow and Saturday are going to be really good, like an actual good days. But today it's weird and it's wonky. But it looks even down here, closer to the Moose Knuckle, there's something going. So we have some options. I say we because it is a weekday and we are going to have a Jared's appearance. Not both, I don't think, just Kevalicious. But yeah, he wants to come out and get some bombs, and I said, by all means, why don't you join me? And I told some other people about bird queef. They don't think it goes. They're pretty new to the game, so I guess, yeah, they think they know what's up, but they don't. And they said they're probably not going to come here. And I don't think I want to try to convince them. I am going to wait around for probably at least another hour for Kevalicious to get here, and then we can figure out where we want to go. I don't really want to jump out in this, but I guess I would have been out there now. Moose Knuckle's going pretty hard too. Oh, I think we're going to surf down here. Anyways, folks, I'll touch base soon. Let's go.
Wow, way calmer on this side.
All right, friends, I think we're ready. I think we're ready. Some of you may be asking, hey Cam, Kevalicious, is it your surf club called Bird Queef? Well, yes it is. This is the namesake to our surf club, Bird Queef. We're out there. Kevin's got the foamy. I brought my foamy too. I think I'm gonna get that when I have to change batteries. Let's go.